Hello friends, a warm welcome back. Eimatto Dekhan just now came back home after watching, a bit late to join the chorus, Thama, the latest addition to Maddock horror cinematic universe, the comedy horror bolte paren eta যেভাবে যে জনরই বলেন না কেন। It's a continuation of this 3 series, 3-1, 3-2, Bhedia, Munja, all these films. Now whether থামা ছবিটি অনেক বেশি আলোচনা হয়েছে, আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই এতক্ষণ দেখে নিয়েছেন ছবিটাকে. If you haven't watched the film, you can watch the film. It is watchable. It's a decent film. There's nothing great about the film. There's nothing extraordinary. No, it's a bad film. The performances are good. Ayushmann Khurrana, occasionally though he hams up, still he makes the character believable. Rashmika Mandanna, it is one of her decent performances. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, according to me, could have done far better. Where the film falters is the writing. I felt there were 2 item numbers of Malaika Arora Khan, Nora Fatehi, and in the end there is another song of Rashmika Mandanna trying to seduce Ayushmann Khurrana that was unnecessary. I felt the director did not trust the audience. Also the cameo, spoilers alert, Varun Dhawan, and also a cameo by Satyaraj and Abhishek Banerjee, they somehow work, but they were not unavoidable. I felt they were not indispensable to the film. ছবিটা আমার ভালো লেগেছে, খারাপ লাগেনি, একবার অন্তত দেখা যেতে পারে. ইফ নট ফর এনিথিং, ইউ আর গোইং টু হ্যাভ আ গুড টাইম ইন দ্য সিনেমা হল. আজকের সময় সেটাও বা কম কি. বাই বাই, টেক কেয়ার.